Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to taste test Chung's, I think I'm saying that right, at least I hope I am, Blazin Sriracha chicken egg rolls, and I'm going to give these a try. I'm going to cook them in the oven. Probably most likely use these in the microwave though, but I figure I'll give them the best shot and do them in the oven, so they have the best chance of me liking them. So they sound good. So preheat the oven for 450 and cook them for 12 to 15 minutes if they're frozen. These are frozen, so, and flipping them once as you do that. So, and there's 4 of these, and there's 4 servings per thing. So there's 4 of them in here. And let's see, and so they have 170 calories, and total sugar is 5 grams, so and sodium is 450. So if you guys keep track of that stuff, well, let's open it up here, see what we got in here. Okay, so we got, this is some duck sauce. We'll put those in the way they're supposed to be as well. So, and then we got some, they come in 2 in a bag, so that'll work for the microwave. So what I might do is do 2 in the microwave and do 2 in the oven. Let's see which way's better. So, okay, so we got the sauce here. Alright, well, let me go get these prepared, and then we'll do the taste test part and see how it all goes. It looks like it's going to be good here. Alright, here we go. I'll be right back, guys. Okay guys, got the ones from the microwave. We're going to try these. I put 2 in the microwave. I got 2 going to be going in the oven, and it comes with a little egg sauce, but we're going to try it without the eggs. Or I mean the duck sauce. Oh, here we go. It's a microwave. Yeah, a little bit crispy, not too soft, so not soggy. So here we go. No, I'm a bad judge of heat because I eat a lot of hot stuff. A little bit of heat, not too bad, but I eat a lot of hot stuff, so but it's good. Really, it's got good flavor. I'm gonna put some of this duck sauce on here and see how that goes. You know what? The microwave's not bad. Duck tastes good, really better with the duck sauce. So it's got good flavor. So okay, guys, I'm gonna finish up with the oven ones and see how they turn out. But the microwave is pretty good on these. So I'll be right back with the oven ones. Okay guys, we're back. Got the oven ones done. I did these for 12 minutes in the oven. They are crispy, a lot more crispy than the microwave, of course. Alright, so we're going to give these a try. Good flavor. It actually tastes better in the oven. No, I have to try deep frying them sometime. See how that goes. But I think the oven was a good match. Microwave, good if you need it quick for a quick snack. Oven takes a little longer, but it's still good. Brings out more flavor. Put the duck sauce on there. All right. So, okay, so these Blazin Sriracha chicken rolls by Chung's, or however you say that word. Tastes really good. I highly recommend them here. So, I eat a lot in the morning. I do eat a lot of hot stuff, but these don't have a overbearing hot flavor. You can taste a little bit, you can feel a little bit of the heat. So you got really good flavor, which is more important than the heat, is good flavor. And when you got heat and good flavor, good. Alright, well guys, I'm going to try to get out of here. Got some better stuff to do, but take time to leave a comment below. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel so you can catch other taste test videos like this. And I also do a cooking video that comes out on Saturdays. And I do some sightseeing and adventure type stuff as well. Okay guys, well, I want you guys to enjoy the day the Lord is giving you. And I'll see you on the next video.